These moments come once in a lifetime. They are emotional, memorable, and last forever. So why not make them even more special with exclusive VVIP services? Welcome to Groomed and Tailored, a concierge premium mobile grooming company providing a white glove treatment for a magnificent and quintessential experience for the special person, the groom and the grooming party. We offer all grooming services like haircut and styling, straight razor shaves with hot towel, royal facial, royal manicure and pedicure, neck and shoulder massage, gourmet food and refreshments, premium gift box, bride gift box, bachelor party, photo, video, and music, pre-wedding fitness and nutrition, private VIP security, honeymoon travel arrangement, and anything you dream of, we can make it happen for you. See some of our clients' happiness and feelings with us.
We're upstairs doing some services for your soon-to-be husband. Your husband sent you a gift.
Oh, nice.
So we just want to present you with a bouquet of roses.
Thank you.
We also have a special card in there for you.
Man, Groom Taylor was off the chain, man. They came in, they had a nice spread of food. They did a great job with me and my men's. We got massages and facials. Man, they even hooked us up with great gifts, got some cigars, got great liquor.
So let us make your wedding day memorable and relaxed because you deserve it. A majestic and quintessential experience for your wedding.